This is a filling and satisfying dessert that can also be used for breakfast or a snack. So easy and so delicious. It's just 4 ingredients. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a handful of walnuts, as fresh as possible, please. Local honey. If you can find your closest honey producer, buy from him or her. A little cinnamon also. So spread your yogurt on any dish that suits your fancy. Also, individual cup size work really well too. Place the chopped walnuts on top, drizzle on the honey, and it should be a generous portion. Don't skimp on this. And top with the amount of cinnamon you desire. Dig in.